This video we're going to show you how to use the Stockman generator with the PM330 controller. First things first, you need to check all your fluid levels, making sure your oil level is fine, making sure your coolant level is fine, and making sure your fuel level is fine as well. There are a few different tank options for the Stockman. In this case we're using the 25 litre built-in fuel tank which has a gauge on top, so we'll just check that. And we're good to go. So what you need to do is turn this switch to run and the controller will go through the countdown sequence. And the generator started. So there's a few different displays on the controller. So you'll see three screens here. First display will show you the voltage. Second display will show you the frequency or the hertz. And the third display will show you how much load the generator is under. If you hold the shift display button down, it will show you the battery voltage, the engine temperature or the coolant temperature, and how many hours the generator is run for. So using a device on the generator, what you need to do is first open up the cover, plug your device in, and then what you need to do is open up the circuit breaker cover and turn the circuit breaker on. That'll allow power to flow through the outlet. Once you're done using the device, what you need to do is open up the cover to the circuit breaker and turn it off, and then you can remove your device now that there's no power there. Once you finish using the generator, all you need to do is turn the generator to off, and the generator will turn on. The PM330 controller has a 2-wire remote start system, so once the 2-wire circuit has been closed, it will then tell the generator to turn on. In this case I'm going to simulate that with a bridge wire in the connector. So what you need to do is turn the switch to remote, and that'll put the controller in standby for remote start. I'm just going to plug this in and it will just close the connection and it will tell the generator to start. So as you can see here, the generator started. So 2-wire remote start system works with any controller that basically just closes the circuit. Basically what it does is tell the generator to turn on or off. That's it. It's a pretty simple setup, pretty simple process, and less things to fail. So to turn the generator off, you'll just open the circuit. In this case I'm going to pull the connector out, and that tells the generator to turn off. Now while the generator is off and the switch is set to remote, it will not draw any power from the start battery. That's just one of the cool designs with the PM330 controller. If you're not using the generator, just turn the switch to off, and that's it. That's how to use the Stockman generator with the PM330 controller.